Good morning everyone, and welcome back to Rasmusar TV. Today I'm going to show you how to leverage your weapon, your spear, your lance. Leveraging is very important because of the shaft. You can increase more pump. I'm going to show you one leverage. Maybe imagine a triangle like that. And in order to leverage, and this is my spear hand, I can really, I keep my hand here, and the only thing you need to do is to bring it up. Look, so the first leveraging, it will be an upward cut already, depending the way you hold your spear. If I'm here, I can leverage and bring it up. So this is the first leveraging. If you can do it as a defensive one. So once I'm here in uppercut, I bring it down and leverage. The same thing of leveraging. See the power I do it? You see? If it were longer, you would have seen how it shakes. And then once you're in a low middle guard, you can do the same. You can leverage and bring it up. You see? You leverage, and this is the defense. You can leverage and bring it up. This, the hand of one, you see how it is done. I hold it here to leverage, it's not here. You see? So you can change this, as you know. So I'm not here. I change it to leverage, so you bring it in the middle, then I can leverage my spear lance. So you bring it close to the neyze, spear butt, and then you can leverage. So again, I'm fighting, and I leverage, or I'm down, and I leverage. You see, for example, when I bring it up on leverage, then you can trust, or you bring it down leverage, you can trust. This what I would like you to do. So if I'm down, I do it forcefully and leverage, bring it down and trust. I leverage, bring it up, trust, bring it down, leverage and trust. I want you to do these 4 small movements so you learn how leveraging works and then apply it in your fighting experience. Thank you very much.